Excuse me, may I ask you something?
Of course, how can I help you?
I'm not sure if I'm on the right bus.
Where are you trying to go?
I want to go to the city library.
Yes, this bus goes there.
Oh, really? That's a relief.
It's about 5 stops from here.
5 stops. Okay.
I can tell you when to get off.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I'm new to the city.
Don't worry. The routes are simple.
I'm still learning how buses work here.
You're doing just fine.
Does the bus stop near the library entrance?
Yes, it stops right across the street.
That's perfect.
I'll let you know when we arrive.
I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all.
The city feels friendlier now.
People here are usually kind. This is your stop coming up.
Oh, great! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Enjoy the library.
I will. Thanks again.